scratch card to, yung sa lottery. Di bali, kapag Chinese New Year, nandun yung pinakamalaking pa-premyo para sa scratch card. This year, nasa daw nasa 20 million. Last year, nasa 10 million lang ata yun. Ganun. Pero one card is around 1,000 last year. And this year, medyo mahal. Nagdoble, 2,000. Then, kung mananalo tayo.
So next is bonuses. So just like in other countries, especially just sa Philippines, di ba? Pinakahihintay natin yung 13-month pay natin. So dito sa Taiwan, meron din. So yung ibang company, 2 months, 3 months kung magbigay ng bonus. Pero usually hindi naman nila ginagamit ito yung sa pagbili ng mga bagong damit or yung mga party-parties. Hindi. Usually they use their bonuses for red envelopes.
The year-end party or Weya. Just like the Christmas party in other country, it is one of the most awaited event in each company every year. Since it is a Chinese-style gathering, usually it is round table and 7 to 10 courses ang handa. It's a mix of seafoods, pork, beef, rice, noodles, and meron pang dessert. It's either pastries or mga fruits. It's a way of the owners of the company to say thanks to its workers. O diba, ang saya-saya. Kasi ang dami-daming food, with games, prizes, and gifts, diba? Some big companies even have raffle prizes. And some bosses even give away red envelope after the party. If it's really a big company, raffle prizes are big amounts of money and sometimes meron pang card. O diba, mapapasana all ka na nga lang. And since kami small company lang, games and simple prize okay na. Basta ang mahalaga, nabusog na kami at meron pang pa-red envelope.
So there you go, friends. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating Chinese New Year special. Grabe. O diba? So nabusog na kami. Meron pang red envelope. Yun ang pinaka-favorite part namin, diba? Syempre, bukod sa bonus, yung aming waya kasi kumain ka na, diba? Nabusog ka pa. But anyways, grabe, pasensya na ako. Naka-jacket na naman ako kasi sobrang lamig. So, sa mga friends ko na pupunta dyan from the Philippines or from anywhere in the world, this Chinese New Year, medyo ang temperature is around 10 degrees below. So, dala kayo ng makapal na jacket. Yung pang ice kasi malamig talaga ang panahon. So, after a few days, ayan na, darating na yung holiday and we're going to have a 9 days holiday for the Chinese New Year. And isa rin yan sa pinakahihintay namin because after a year, makakapagbakasyon na rin. And compare last year, we only have 7 days. So medyo mahaba-haba ngayon. So thank you and wishing everyone a happy Chinese New Year. So till next time, this is your friend Jaja Yang from Taiwan with Love.